those feet come from? Yes. Where did those feet come from, Benny? Yes. That's crazy. You just found those today. Yes. What do you do with them? Yeah? What do they do for you? What do your feet do? Yeah? You're so happy right now. You just want to have a whole conversation. Are you telling everybody about your weekend? Who'd you see this weekend, Benny? Yeah, you saw Alex, right? What'd you and Alex do? Wow, those feet. Oh, yep, you went to the Korean grocery store? What else? What else did you and Alex do? He made kimchi soup and bibimbap. Yes, it was amazing. What else? You cried so hard at the grocery store you turned purple. Right? You showed Alex how you could turn purple. And all that work this weekend, you wake up this morning and you find your feet. Life is so exciting right now, Benny Danger. Isn't it? Oh! Ba-ba-ba-ba. Yes. Oh, we flirted with the waitress at the diner on Saturday morning. We hung out with Opie. We went on a walk. Yeah. You had fun with Opie. What'd you eat at the restaurant? Applesauce. Oh, that's the face of a busy man. I know that diaper's getting the treatment. There they are again, those feet. You are so busy. Oh, and the hands. Cross-eyes looking at the hands. If the camera gets any closer, he realizes it's the camera. And then he won't do any of this. So I apologize for no close-ups. But right now, it's either staring cross-eyed at his hands or staring in amazement at his newfound feet. Life is good, Benny D.